So hi guys, so now I would like to discuss to you about how to clean the espresso machine and what is the steps and techniques in cleaning the espresso machine. So I hope you will gonna enjoy this one, and I hope also you will gonna learn from this video. So if you like this one, just don't forget to subscribe. So let's all begin. Hi guys, so now we will now open the espresso machine. This is my espresso machine. So let's open this one. So probably the machine, all machine is working around 10 to 15 minutes. So we can start making espresso shots. So for now, we will just waiting for the machine to be ready. Okay. So hello guys, now my machine is now ready. So if you see here, so it's 96 degrees Celsius, and it's the pressure of the steam one is also good. It's 1 bar. The menu is good. So now this is now ready. So we will start cleaning now the espresso machine. So first of all, we need to brush the group head. So we'll just press this one, and then we will brush here. Yeah, like this. Then also here in another group head. So we call this one and this is the what we call the group head, which is we put the portafilter, this one here. Alright, so after that we will gonna also flashback again using the portafilter basket. So like this, just put it here, and just like doing like this to get the used beans from the here. Yeah, like this. Then stop. Then if you see, there is a beans also. So just clean this one and another flashback. Also here, so just continue like this, maybe in 20 seconds. Then stop. Then look. Then clean. And then flashback again. Also we call this one like this purge, to release the used espresso beans. And then after that, so hello guys, so now we will now adding some chemicals. So the chemicals using for cleaning the espresso machine is called the cafeto. So we will now put the cafeto. But before we gonna add the chemicals, we need to change our portafilter basket from this. So this is the filter we are using for cleaning the espresso machine using the cafeto. So we will gonna change this one from this. So now I changed this one. So we will just gonna press. Okay. So now this, it should be like this. So this is the portafilter basket. Okay, so this is now ready. So we will now add the chemicals. It's just little bit of cafeto, or the chemicals we use. This only. This here. Like this. And you will just gonna put this one here, our portafilter. And another one. Put it here, and then press this one, Look, so it's now auto clean cycle select. So if you see it's flashing, then we will just press this one and this one. So it should be our machine is White Eagle, so this machine is high-tech. So but in another espresso machine, they are all espresso machine have their own cleaning cycle, and it's also automatic. So even though it's you are using the manual espresso machine, it should have a automatic cleaning cycles. So don't worry if you are using another espresso brand. So like this, we're just waiting for maybe around 10 minutes. So look now, if you see the sounds, so we can definitely know if the cleaning cycle is finished. If there's a sounds, if there's no sounds, it means the cycle is finished. So we will just see this one like this. It's lightning, so it means the cycle is finished, the cleaning cycle is finished. And there's no sound, you cannot hear sound anymore. It means the cleaning cycle is it's done. So we need to remove the portafilter. Yan guys, so now the light is off, so it means the cleaning cycle is finished. So we're gonna remove now the portafilter basket in the group head. So just get this what is this slowly, because it's have a pressure. So if you pull this very fast, maybe the pressure will gonna boom. So it's gonna, by the way, just pull this one. Yeah, alright, so we're gonna remove this slowly. So here is now the cafe or the chemicals we use. It's now and then flashback or purge. Also here we will remove this. So here. Okay, so another flashback and another in here. Alright guys, so now we are done for cleaning the espresso machines, and also we use chemicals. But there is one thing to do after that, after using chemicals, after cleaning the machine, which is we need to extract espresso and throw it after we extract. Why? Because we need to do that to avoid chemical taste. So now I have now grind some espresso beans. So now we're gonna extract. So here I will repeat, use this to avoid the chemical taste. Okay, so after this we will gonna throw this one, and now if we were now avoiding the chemical taste, so the espresso machine now is ready for the customers. So okay, I will show you something. Okay, here, so this now we will gonna throw this one. Okay, and also this one. So what is the reason why I am doing this? To avoid a chemical taste. That's it. And now the espresso machine now is already good. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Alright guys, so now I am done. We are now cleaning the machine. We are using the chemicals and we do some extracting to avoid the chemical taste. So now I am done. I am now ready to serve the customers. So thank you for watching.